fun when you don't have any money and you're just about to lose your phone and it's your only access out of where you live to like literally anyone. And the only way you can potentially even get a job because everything is like not physical anymore. So that's fun. I'm pretty sure I'm about to lose my service in like the next hour, hour and a half. That's great. So just making this video to upload and let anyone know who gives a damn that I'm about to lose my service. That's fun. Super duper fun times. Well, I love you all. Thank you.